Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of technology. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of air conditioners and how they work. So, let's get started. Air conditioners are a marvel of modern technology, and they play a crucial role in keeping us cool and comfortable during those hot summer days. But have you ever wondered how they actually work? Well, today, we're going to break it down for you. First things first, let's talk about the main components of an air conditioner. There are three primary components: the compressor, the condenser, and the evaporator. The compressor is responsible for compressing the refrigerant gas, turning it into a high-pressure liquid. This liquid then flows into the condenser, where it's cooled down and turned back into a gas. Finally, the gas flows into the evaporator, where it absorbs heat from the air, turning back into a liquid. Now, let's take a closer look at the evaporator. The evaporator is where the magic happens. It's made up of a series of coils that are filled with the refrigerant gas. As the gas flows through these coils, it absorbs heat from the surrounding air, causing it to turn into a liquid. This liquid then flows back to the compressor, where the process starts all over again. But how does this process actually cool the air? Well, when the refrigerant absorbs heat from the air, it causes the air to cool down. This cooled air is then blown out of the air conditioner and into the room, providing us with that much-needed relief from the heat. Now, let's talk about the efficiency of air conditioners. The efficiency of an air conditioner is measured by its SEER rating, which stands for Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio. The higher the SEER rating, the more efficient the air conditioner is. So, if you're looking to save on your energy bills, it's a good idea to invest in an air conditioner with a high SEER rating. And that's it for today's video. We hope you found this tutorial on how air conditioners work both interesting and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.